Hey guys, what's up? It's Allie and I am back with another Riley Rose video, and this time it's a hair video. And YNSQLUW, which is a hair care brand, just launched on Riley Rose and everything is amazing. I've never heard of them before, I've never tried their products before until they sent it to me and I am obsessed. Like, I mean, look at my hair. It looks so amazing and so healthy. Like, not to toot my own horn, but it looks so good and everything is super cute. I love the packaging of everything. Like, I die. So if you guys want to see how I achieve my everyday hair look, then keep on watching. The shampoo that I use today is the Perfect Smooth shampoo. It's also a color protectant and it is sulfate and paraben free. And then I use the conditioner that goes along with it. So my hair is still a little damp from the shower, and before I do anything, I'm going to go in with the Perfect Volume Blowout Jelly Color and Heat Protectant. And it says here, this protective bodybuilding preheat jelly is a salon perfect blowout's best friend. So I'm just going to go in and add a little bit of this before I blow dry my hair. Brush it out, that way it doesn't get all tangled. I usually don't blow dry my hair unless I'm in a rush. I'll just have it air dry. But when I do, it's always good to use a heat protectant like the one that I just used. So now I'm just gonna go in and blow dry my hair. This product definitely does its job as far as volume goes. Like, my hair is huge right now, but that's okay because we're gonna tame it all down in a second. And now that it's all dry, I am gonna start curling my hair. To curl my hair, I usually use the T3 Micro Single Pass Wave Wand. I like to hold the curl in place a little bit to let the curl set. So I pretty much always curl away from my face unless I'm feeling a little crazy. And now that I have curled my hair, I like the piecey, beachy wave look. So I'm gonna brush it out a little bit so that the curls are not so perfect. And then I'm gonna go in with the Perfect Volume Texture Mist. It says to use it on damp hair, but I just use it really lightly on my dry hair for a little bit of texture. It's been fine, so. And I just like to work my fingers and my palms through my hair so it looks a little bit messier. Basically, you do all this to make it look messy. Zhuzhing is important. Zhuzhing is like basically how I get my hair to look the way it does half the time. Just needs a little zhuzh. Look how cute. Another product that they sent over is the Perfect Smooth Blowout Lotion, and it's also a color and heat protectant. So you can use this on your damp hair before you blow dry, but you can also use it on dry hair to tame any flyaways. I'm just gonna use a little bit. Everything smells so good. I'm not gonna go too crazy. And then the last thing I'm going to use is their Perfect Shine Oil Mist. So this is a hair oil mist that instantly smooths and gives your hair a nice shine. So I'm just going to use this. This is also a color and heat protectant. This one smells so good. So this is usually how I get my everyday hair. I wouldn't say I do it every day because I do not wash my hair every day, but every time I wash my hair, this is kind of the gist of it when I use the YNSQLUW products. The products that are on Riley Rose are super affordable. They are as low as $12 and as high as $16. I love how everything makes my hair look like. My hair just looks so shiny and lush and healthy, and I love it. That is it for this video on YNSQLUW and Riley Rose. You guys have to check out these products. Like, my hair has honestly never looked better. I think this is legit my new favorite hair care brand. Like, I can't stop looking at myself in the screen, you know, because my hair just looks so good. And you guys know how I love wearing my fake hair from insert name here, but I mean, like, it looks so healthy. Everything that they do is so good, and I hope you guys check them out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out all these products. I'll link everything down below so you guys can check it out, shop, learn more about the brand, etc. If you don't already, make sure to follow me on Instagram. We just hit 30K, which is so exciting. So if you guys already follow me, Thank you for following me. If you don't, be sure to come hang out on the gram. I am constantly posting stories. I'm a lot. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.